Hello, myself Mohammad Riza Ahmed, and I am a fourth year medical student of General Medicine course of the Astana Medical University. So today I am going to discuss about the acquired appendicitis examination. So my patient name is Shahil, and he is a schoolboy child, and his age is 13 years of old. And so today I am going to discuss about the examination procedure of the acquired appendicitis. First of all, we will introduce ourselves as a doctor and to the patients, and after that we are going to take some history of the patients. If there is any sign, the minor signs and the major signs, and we will divide it in two forms. The major signs: the patients have some migratory pain, which is the positive indications for the acquired appendicitis in the abdomen, in the right iliac fossa region. It will be shifted from the umbilical cords to the right iliac fossa regions. After that, minor signs should be like the patients have some fever, a loss of appetite, like some nausea, vomiting. This type of sign the patient have. And secondly, we are going to do the inspections. In the inspections, we are going to see the abdomens, if there is any kind of rigidity or any kind of abnormality in the abdomen. After that, we're going to do the palpation. In the palpations, as you know that palpations have two types: superficial palpation and the deep palpations. In the superficial palpations, structure will see if there is any kind of swelling in the abdomen, or if there is any kind of tenderness in other sides of the abdomen. Deep palpation. In the deep palpations, will start from the left iliac fossa regions of the abdomen. From the left iliac fossa of the abdomen will comes towards the right iliac fossa of the abdomen. When will comes towards the right iliac fossa of the abdomen, there should be like a maximum pains in that region. In the percussions, we'll do percussions. Here is given in the video. So in the percussions, we'll notice in the McBurney point. In the McBurney point, there should be like maximum amount of pain in that area. So it is also the positive indication for the acquired appendicitis. After that, rule out the positions of the appendicitis. We'll notice the Schwarz sign. What is the Schwarz sign? In Schwarz signs, we'll do extensors of the hip zones. There should be like pain in that area, right iliac fossa region. In the obturator signs, we'll notice that the flexions of the hip zones, and we'll do internally rotated. It may be positive indication, it may be negative indication. After all of this doing, after all of this taking the history of the patients, we're going to give the score according to the Alvarado score. In the Alvarado score, if the maximum score is 10, to confirm the acquired appendicitis, but if the patients will get 5 to 10 score, then we are confirmed that patients have a acquired appendicitis. So in these patients, we'll notice that the patients will take from the history. The patients have the migratory pain, which is given 1 score, tenderness, which is given 2 score, and the patients have some rebound tenderness, which is given 1 score, and the shift to the left, right to the left, which is given 1 score. So the patients get 6 scores. So the patients have a acquired appendicitis, but we will give some blood analysis, blood examination test. If there is inflammation, then there should be like WBC, leukocytosis will be there, increase of the leukocytes. This one is also in between the Alvarado score, which is given 1 score. So the patients will get 7 score, and we are going to confirm that the patients have a acquired appendicitis. Thank you.